Today we are making something truly special, Christmas in Dubai chocolate bars. Crispy, buttery Kataifi, luxury pistachio cream, rich dark chocolate, and festive pops of pistachio and cranberry. Let's get started. I'm starting with 250 grams of Kataifi pastry. This was frozen and defrosted overnight, and I will gently pull the threads apart. In a pan, melt 100 grams of butter and saute the Kataifi until lightly golden and fragrant. Pro tip, you can brown a big batch of Kataifi and you can store it in a stainless steel container for up to a month. Once it has some color somewhat, set it aside to cool completely. Now for the dreamy filling, I'm going to be using this pistachio spread. Add in 1 cup and warm it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to loosen it. Add half a cup of tahini and mix it till smooth. Tahini is a sesame paste. Fold in 250 grams of the sautéed Kataifi. And if the mixture feels a bit wet, just add a little bit more Kataifi till it's perfectly fluffy and crumbly. Now it's time to build our chocolate bars. I'm using silicone molds. First, I'm going to add some festive splashes of color. Melted white candy melts, tinted red and green. You can also use pre-colored melts. Splash the colors in the molds and then let them set in the fridge. These shouldn't take too long. Next, melt 200 grams of dark chocolate. This is enough for about 2 chocolate bars. My preference is always to use dark chocolate, but you can totally use milk chocolate or even white chocolate. Pour a thin layer into the mold, coating the base and the sides. Use a spatula to guide it up the edges. Because this is a Christmas in Dubai chocolate, we're adding whole pistachios and dried cranberries right into the base so they get locked in as the chocolate sets. Use around 12 pistachios and about 12 cranberry pieces per bar, but you can use more if you like. Pop this into the fridge to harden. Once the chocolate shell is set, spoon in the Kataifi filling and press it down gently to level it. I like to chill this again. It makes the final layer of chocolate much easier to pour. Now cover the top with another layer of melted chocolate and smooth it out. Back into the fridge for a few hours until it's fully firm. Ready for the reveal? Let's unmold it. Look at that shine and beautiful colors. Since this is a Dubai Christmas chocolate bar, feel free to finish it with a touch of edible gold leaf. Crispy shell, delicious crunchy pistachio goodness, and the festive surprise of whole pistachios and cranberries. Absolutely stunning. Enjoy.